how to transfer XRP token from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. Now, first of all, we need to swap our XRP token from our Bybit wallet to Solana in order to transfer it to Phantom wallet without any issue. So how to do that? Open your Phantom wallet, open your Bybit wallet first. As you can see, now select the BNB chain as a network first and search for your token. In this case, it will be XRP. Now click on it. Now after that, here click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Bybit exchange platform in order to be able to swap your token to Solana. So how to do that? What you need to do after that, now from the bottom, just click here and select this Solana as a network. Now search for the swap. After that, what you need to do, select your token. In this case, it will be Solana. Click on swap. So after you convert your XRP to Solana, we need to transfer our Solana token to Phantom wallet. So how to do that? Open your Bybit wallet and select this Solana as a network first, as you can see from here, and search for your token. In this case, it will be Solana, and click on it. And here click on send. So because I don't have any fund, I can't be able to show you how you can do it, but they will ask you for the withdrawal address of that Solana that you can get it from your Phantom wallet in order to provide it to receive this Solana on your Phantom wallet. So how to do that? Go and open your Phantom wallet. For that, as you can see, now click on your Solana token and now click on receive and just copy the token address from here and go back to Bybit wallet, and you can paste the token address there to be able to transfer it to your Phantom wallet. So wait a few seconds to a few minutes and you will be able to receive your token on your wallet. So this is how to transfer XRP from Bybit wallet to Phantom wallet on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.